If you want to learn how to set an ElevenLabs voice the right way, you're in the perfect place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the main voice options inside ElevenLabs, so you can choose a ready-made voice, create a brand new voice, or clone an existing one for your project. This is super useful whether you're making voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, audiobooks, or any other kind of content. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump in. When you first open ElevenLabs, you'll usually see a few different ways to work with voices. The first option is the voice library. This is where you can explore pre-made voices created by other users. If you don't want to build a voice from scratch, this is a great place to start, because you can browse through a wide range of styles, tones, and accents until you find one that fits your project. As you search through the voice library, listen carefully to each voice preview. Think about the type of content you're creating. For example, a calm, clear voice might be better for tutorials, while a more energetic voice could work well for short-form content or promos. Once you find a voice that sounds right, click Add to Voice. That saves it to your personal collection, so you can use it again later without having to search for it all over again. Now, if you want something more custom, the next option is voice design. This is where ElevenLabs lets you create a completely new voice using descriptive text prompts. Instead of picking an existing voice, you describe the voice you want. You can define details like age, gender, accent, and emotional tone. For example, you might ask for a warm, middle-aged male voice with a British accent and a confident, friendly delivery. The key here is to be specific. The more detail you give, the better the result will usually be. If you want the voice to sound professional, say that. If you want it to sound casual, energetic, soft, dramatic, or authoritative, include that in your prompt too. This is one of the best ways to shape a voice that matches your exact brand or content style. After you generate the voice, take time to test it with a few different lines of text. Sometimes a voice sounds good on one sentence, but even better on another. So it's always worth experimenting until you get the tone you want. If needed, go back and adjust your prompt to refine the result. The third option is instant voice cloning. This is the feature you use when you want to create a replica of an existing voice by uploading audio samples. If you have permission to use that voice, you can provide a few short clips and ElevenLabs will build a clone based on them. This is useful when you want to reproduce a specific speaking style for your own brand. Instant cloning is the faster option and usually requires just a few short audio samples. The better the quality of those clips, the better the final voice clone will sound. Try to use clear audio with minimal background noise and make sure the voice is spoken naturally. If you need a more precise result, ElevenLabs also offers professional cloning. This version requires longer, high-quality audio, but it gives you a more exact vocal likeness. That makes it better for more advanced use cases, where realism matters a lot. Again, audio quality is everything here, so the cleaner the recordings, the better the outcome. Once your voice is ready, you can save it and start using it in your projects. If you're not sure which method to choose, here's the simple rule. Use the voice library for quick results, voice design for a fully custom voice, and voice cloning when you need to match an existing voice. So that's how to set an ElevenLabs voice using the main voice tools inside the platform. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.